Hello everyone, Zip Zap here. There is one thing the Menace wants the most, and that is censorship. He wants to censor fetishes on DeviantArt. However, I'm going to say that this goal cannot be achieved. The idea of having a specific form of art completely censored on DeviantArt is realistically impossible. Despite these difficulties, our lovely Fandom Menace tries it anyway. A couple of months ago, he uploaded a petition on change.org voting to move fetish art into mature tags. Let's just point out all the flaws with this action. Number 1. It's a petition on change.org! When was the last time you saw petitions like this work? This was the same website where people wanted to vote Princess Elizabeth 013 off of DeviantArt, the same website where people tried to prevent Grand Theft Auto 5 from being ported to the PC. This is the same exact website. The same exact website where people wanted to bring back pudding pops. Number 2. In this petition, it required 1,500 supporters in order for it to pass. This is a small number. As of 2013, over 25 million members are on DeviantArt. Would you honestly think that DeviantArt would listen to less than 1% of its population and censor fetish art for everyone? Maybe if the goal was set a little bit higher, let's say 10 million. If the goal was 10 million supporters, then maybe it would pass. Number 3. Let's just think of a scenario where the Phantom Menace won, okay? What would happen if this petition, despite all of the hardships that I mentioned above, passed? There are over 10 years worth of fetish art on this site. Why would anyone take their time and sort out fetish art from normal art when it takes over 16 years to do so? How would this even work, honestly? The Phantom Menace never explained it in the petition. The fetish artists themselves could move the art into the categories, but what about the ones that have deactivated or no longer active on the site? Even if they're deactivated, you can still discover their art. Number 4. What is a fetish and what isn't? The Phantom Menace wants DeviantArt to add all fetish art to some sort of mature category of their own. But again, that is impossible. The thing is, fetishes are basically everywhere. There is even a Wikipedia page that is dedicated to listing all of the known paraphilias, which is another word for fetish. A fetish just means an object that is believed to have supernatural powers. Wait, that isn't right. A fetish is an inanimate object or part that one finds attractive and appealing, whether sexual or not. Why do we need to consider fetish art as mature content when they have been demonstrated in popular media as a normal thing? For example, let's take a look at Rouge the Bat. She was from Sonic Adventure 2, which was rated E10 in the United States. She even had breast physics in that game. Men typically are attracted to a woman's breasts. I know this isn't always the case, but it's a biological fact. In order to fall in love with someone, there has to be something that attracts you to them. The point I'm trying to make is that if this petition were to pass, then it would be either all or nothing. Either nothing will change, or every piece of art on this site would be censored. But look, there's a couple of old people over there. That's gerontophilia. Arrest them now. Better yet, nuke them. So in conclusion, this petition just sucked. And the guy is just clearly mad. I mean, if he thought a little more critically on this, he would have known the problems that making a petition about this would make. It just shows how egocentric the Menace is. I honestly don't understand why people like him. But anyways, here's on Rage.